Are you facing trouble with Facebook application on your device? Then in today's video, I'm gonna show you the step-by-step process on how you can easily fix it. First thing first, check whether your internet connection is working properly or not. Make sure that you are connected to stable Wi-Fi. Once done, now head over to App Store on your device. In the address bar, you need to search for Facebook. Move into this app. Make sure that the application is up to date. So if the update option is available, then all you gotta do is tap on update and update the app to the latest version. Once you've got the updated version, it should fix the issue. If not, move into the settings of a device. Inside settings, head over to general and then move into iPhone storage. In this page, search for the application Facebook and click on it. Now tap on offload app. Once again click on offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This should definitely fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.